tourism is booming in 26, but not where you guys think.
Yeah, so I can tell you right now, two of these is something that, well, three of these is like major. I can tell you that right now. So I think like what happened during the pandemic, a lot of people were like looking on Instagram. They're like, oh my God, what is this amazing place? And it started bringing different awareness to different places. So, um,
Well, I think another reason why these places that you're about to mention,
cheap.
it's affordable and the crowds. Again, I think what's happening, there's major over tourism and all the, because again, it's what you said, Instagram, and everybody wants to go to the same place that you see on Instagram. I want to go there and I want to take the same picture and I want to do this. And it's a little bit annoying, to be honest with you. But yeah, so she's texting. I love that in the middle of a podcast. Wow.
Children.
Well, next episode,
wait.
next episode is how your phone destroys your travel experience.
No. So these are okay. So the top, well, I'm going to say it this way. He has it written down funny, but yes, the places that are the most popular are going to be Rome, Paris, London, right? Those are the hot spots. They're so expensive, very, very crowded. We were in Rome a couple of years ago. We said never again in the summer, and they're shifting towards. And I'm going to say this. This is northern Portugal, but Portugal seems to be like a very, very huge hotspot. And the reason why northern Portugal is because they have the Douro Valley and everybody wants to do those vineyards. So that's a huge one. I will tell you, Albania, we know that. It's the craziest thing. A lot of people are doing Albania versus doing like Greece and the beach places because Albania has amazing beaches. So I've been seeing that over time. And I know this because of the travel industry. Slovenia has been like the number one that I'm getting a lot of questions about. And then this one's new to me. I mean, not new to me, but I can't believe it's on the list and I'm happy. But Georgia, the country, I am happy that that's happening. But those three, the Albania, Slovenia, and northern Portugal, yes, those are like, that's becoming now the new hotspot. So get there quick before they get super crowded.
Yeah, so I'm some stats to throw at you. UN tourism reports strong global recovery of tourism, and Expedia trend reports show rising search for lesser known cities. I think the only issue here, babe, is that now when they start getting popular, right? These not so popular cities, like they don't have infrastructure in a lot of these places, right? So they probably, the influx of new tourism, it's probably a little bit difficult in terms of their infrastructure. And then, and again, once we start talking about it like we are now, that could easily turn into over tourism, right?
Yeah.
And should, because everybody just follows the masses, unfortunately. But
I will tell you, and this has been happening more, like, yes, it happens in Venice, but in Barcelona, specifically Spain, they are protesting big time. And so they are attacking like a lot of the tourists and stuff like that.
With
because
water guns. Damn Spaniards. All right. So that was travel news of the week.